competition of the mind, a sports event of the mind. This is about engaging students in the idea of engineering as a career path. This is the idea of putting academic coursework into practical application.
It's a robot that moves pretty fast and it's very maneuverable. It has a poker which pokes the ball from the ball. It pushes it forward, and we have an arm that hurts it around.
The game involves track balls, the 7-pound, 40-inch balls that you saw in the competition, and the balls need to be pushed off of their starting position and at the end put back on their starting position. And also as they go around the ring, either being pushed through the finish line or hurtled over the overpass. Each time there are different levels of points that one gets. Each of the alliances, the 3 teams on the red or the blue team, work as a team, and the total points that they make are added together and given to each one of those teams each time. So if you're with some really good teams, even though your robot isn't as skilled or refined, you're going to get those kind of points as well.
Yeah, there's just so many people, so many parts of the Boston area just coming here to compete. I'm intimidated by a lot of them because they've been in the competition for a really long time. But, we've kept our cool and we feel really confident about our robot, how it works and stuff like that.
I'm mainly in the pit most of the time, and the pit's been really good. We've been keeping it really organized and everything.
What happens in the pit?
Mainly what's happening now is like if the robot needs any form of repair, we come back here. This is where we keep all the tools and all our stuff, things like that.
I think it's a great opportunity for kids. It's exciting, just as exciting as the basketball championship. The energy is tremendous. The kids, this is high-end stuff that they're doing. It's a great community piece because we've had plenty of mentors. We've had a lot of donations from the community, and it's really been a great event. And what we hope to do is have our robot, what we'll have is our robot at the Fair of the Square in the fall, so the community can see. It's a lot of it's about team building, a lot of it's about high-end programming, learning how to weld, things that kids don't ordinarily get an opportunity to do until they get to college. So it's been great.
I would describe this competition as a fun and interesting way to see people who have sweated and toiled over 6 weeks show off their brand shiny new robots and watch them get destroyed on the field.
Next year.
There's always next year. We learned a lot. We've learned a lot this year, and next year's a different game, different competition, different rules. So we'll be starting from scratch from that perspective, but at least we know what the workflow is, and we know how to organize a team, and we know what kind of fundraising we need to do, what kind of engineering we need to think about, and how the design process works. So we've learned an awful lot this year. We've got a tool set. We don't have to go out and buy a lot of tools at this point, so we've got a leg up on next year.
Robotics